Let's make cake for two using straight from France chestnut spread. Preheat your oven or your toaster oven to 350 degrees and grease 2 oven-safe ramekins. Ultimately, you're going to combine all the ingredients for the cake in a mixing bowl and whisk until you have a runny batter. Divide the batter between the 2 ramekins and bake until done for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the cake is baking, we're going to prepare the ricotta cream frosting. Using a mixer or a food processor, you're going to combine the ricotta and the powdered sugar and whip until smooth. Transfer the frosting to the refrigerator to chill. Once the cake is cooled and the frosting has chilled, add a layer of frosting to the top of each cake. Garnish with a pear slice and dust the top of each cake with a little ground cinnamon. The full recipe is available on my website, dinnerfordinks.com. Hope you guys enjoy!